Guys, what's up? This is me Bishnu and I hope you all are fine, and I just want to welcome all of you in my channel, which is Bishnu Prasad. And I hope you're gonna like this video, because today video is all about I can assure that every one of you must have felt, must have thought about today's topic, what I'm going to talk about. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and please like my video if you haven't subscribed or liked. So let's get started about today's topic. So today's topic is why bad things happen with us. Means why can't life be just normal the way it is, the way it is when everything is good. Means why everything has to go through so hard, why bad thing has to happen in our life. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So I can definitely assure you that there is no one in entire life, even those who born in a money home or Bill Gates home, they must have felt it's just about we are facing financial problem, they must be facing any physical problem, health problem, but that's for sure that nobody is completely satisfied with what destiny or what nature has provided us. So that's for sure that we all are unsatisfied and bad things happen with us. So today's topic is why it happened. So those of you who are looking for entertainment or comedy channels, so stop, they can stop watching this video and they can skip to any comedy video or couple show. So those who have thought about this video and those who have really understood, those who have really wondering why bad thing happen, and if you have really wondered, then you can continue watching this video. So let's try to understand together. So I'm just gonna give you an example, like a small example, like when I was 17 or 18. Okay, so like everyone, I had a dream that when I will get my bike. Okay, so while I was dreaming, I was driving cycle. Okay, so one day what happened, when I came out of school, I saw that my cycle was stolen. Okay, I wanted bike. Okay, I wanted bike. I was dreaming and I was wishing that when I will get a bike, or I was just dreaming of bike. So all of a sudden, when I came out of school, I saw that my cycle is stolen. For that time, I didn't think of my dream that means my dream is that when I will get a bike or this that. For that, I was just being I was very upset. I was thinking I don't know how I will face my family, or I was being worried. But cycle means after then what happened means cycle got stolen. I had to go school by walking for a couple time. Then something happened in home and this that and I got bike. So why I give you a small example, that if we are wishing for something, okay, if we are wishing for something, then in order for your wish to come true, bad thing must happen. It's not about bad thing happen, something must happen that can come, your wish, your dream can come true. It's we who see this as a bad thing. So me also, I was wondering that why life can't be just like the way it is. When good things come, why we wish that when we are having good time, so we wish that it may last forever, but it never happened. So those of you who are having hard time right now, just think that hard times happen in your life because whatever you had asked in your life, right now when hard time comes, you don't remember that what you had asked in your in your past time. So if you are, listen, first of all, if those of you who are going through hard time, that means you had asked something from God, from whatever you believed in, you had asked something and they are giving you right now. So this is the process. Whatever you had asked, there is no way that whatever you had asked will come through just like that. So you have to go through this pain. So if you are in bad times, so so be happy, because whatever you had asked in your child life and whatever you are wishing for, that's about to be true. So that's why you are having this hard time, because everyone knows that no one can gain anything without pain. That's why there is a saying that without pain there is no gain. So if you are in pain, be relaxed, that good times, and whatever you had wished, whatever you had asked from God, they are giving you this through this pain. It's completely unfair that whatever we had asked, I can't imagine, means I ask money, means whatever I ask, okay, I don't want to say that yeah particularly this that, whatever I had asked all came true. But the way it came true, like currently I'm saying that yeah, it's been, you know, it's been 2 years. I was in right now, means I will have to explain you completely. Like I'm in Abu Dhabi right now. I'm in security company. So 2 years back I had gotten one location which I didn't like. So it's been 2 years. I was, you know, every single day, night, every single day when I was going duty, I was wishing that yeah, please, please, please God, change my this, change my location. And I was crying. I was doing this, that. Okay, I wished. Okay, and now what happened in this 2 years? I got used to of that location. Okay, even that location is very hard. I got used to of that location. So now I've forgotten what I wished. Okay, so all of a sudden means 3 day or 4 day back, what happened? I got on duty. Okay, that day I was not feeling good. So I was not feeling good. But the moment I arrived duty, I did maybe vomiting happened and something happened. So my supervisor called ambulance, and now doctor said that yeah, I'm not medically fit to work in that kind of location. So that's how my location got changed. So can you imagine, just can you see this thing? Means I got hard location, I wanted good location, I wished for good location, and destiny gave me good location. Means God gave me good location, but the way God gave me means I had to be sick, I had to do vomiting, means I had to, you know, I had to be admitted in hospital, and now still means that's for sure that yeah, my location has been changed, but still I didn't get location. So I can just say that yeah, whatever you had asked, after you have to go through hard time, you have to go through pain, then you will get. Like right now I'm job means locationless, means I don't have duty, but at least that's for sure that yeah, I got call that you won't be going in that location. So we just need to keep patience, and that's all. I just want to say only one thing: if those of you who are in bad situation right now, it's just because of what you had asked in your future, what you had asked in your past. Whatever you had asked, now it's about to come true, so that's why you are going through pain. So don't be afraid. Take care.